So good afternoon. Today we all have gathered to pay tribute to the individual, the mother, the sister, the friend, and the provider of compassion in every family. We have seen woman in every form, and she loves always astonished us on how adaptable and balanced she can be. And today we have an exemplary personality, Mrs. Kalavakuntla Kavita, who defines the contemporary woman to celebrate International Women's Day. Srimati Kavita, a prominent and promising politician, a member of distinguished political party, Telangana Rashtra Samiti is all about how philanthropic a woman can be. She has been a role model, redeemer to many. Her contribution to the society is remarkable. To be precise, it may be unifying the society with her immense love indigenous arts by celebrating Batikama on large scale or forming Telangana Jagruti, which works for mobilizing the support of women and the youth. She has done everything. She has recently amalgamated in Telangana Social Welfare Residential Institutional Society in order to strengthen the women empowerment. Wow, this is the best way to celebrate womanhood. And it is an honor really to have her here today. And I'm sure in the life of everyone, this would be the best Women's Day. Welcome you, ma'am. Welcome you to the Akshara family once again. Ma'am, we have a lot of enthusiastic students here who are eagerly waiting to talk to you with many questions. You know, few might be of your childhood, few might be of your college days, few would be of your political life. I appreciate if you could spend some time with them to resolve all their queries. Over to Naimisha of LB Nagar campus. You are waiting with a question. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon to the gathering. I am Naimisha from Akshara International School, LB Nagar. Happy Women's Day to the dynamic lady. I would like to know Miss Kavita as a daughter of KCR, Miss Kavita as a wife, Miss Kavita as a mother of 2 kids, and Miss Kavita as a quick emerging politician. Which role interests you and defines you more, and why?
Hi, first of all, I wish you all a very, very happy Women's Day. Thank you for the lovely question. I think how many ever caps I might wear, I would first like to be called a mother. And I also equally love my mother. So I think a role of a daughter and mother plays number one. And rest, of course, as important as it is, being a mother and loving one's mother, I believe is one of the best things a woman can ask for.
This is a definite answer we can expect from a woman to prove herself to be a woman, rather than an ambitious personality. Thank you very much, Kavita Akka. And Anita, principal of Karimnagar campus, has been curious with a question related to the working women, I believe. Anita ma'am, please. Anita ma'am, I think you need to unmute.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. And I wish you a happy Women's Day. And my question to you today is, we all know that women faces barriers in developing their career across the working life. What qualities should a woman or a girl strongly develop in order to overcome those barriers?
Hello, very happy Mother's Day to you, Anita Garu.
Thank you.
You are a very successful career woman yourself, and you also know, and I would like all the kids to know that to become successful, the only thing is to work hard and continuously keep. There is no shortcut for success, either for a man or a woman, and women needs to put in a little bit more work, more effort, try and organize herself more. But I believe end of the day, hard work is the only key. Hard work is the only secret to success of any individual.
So there she goes. Consistency and hard work is what is needed for the success of a woman, as said by Kavita Akka. And then Annie, another curious girl, is waiting for a question for Kavita Akka.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Wishing you a very happy Women's Day. We are very privileged to have you with us, ma'am. My name is Annie Angelin. I'm studying in 10th standard of Akshara, the school, Suchitra branch. Ma'am, I'm very curious to ask you a question. Have you dreamt of being a politician right from your childhood? I'm sure you would have crossed many hurdles in achieving this. Can you throw some light on this area?
Hi Annie, thanks for the lovely question. A very happy Women's Day to you. And no, I never thought I'll become a politician. I always wanted to be a very successful businesswoman. Then the Telangana movement started. And when the movement was at its peak, I could not sit at home. I wanted to work for the people. I wanted to make sure my role is there in achieving the state. I was inspired by Honorable KCR Garu, like lakhs and lakhs of people are inspired by him. I am one among them. I started working and then eventually I came into politics. But the fundamental idea was to work for the state. So we worked during the struggle of Telangana movement.
So there is always a new twist for our career. We never know who would become when. Thank you very much, Kavita Akka. And then, Suchita, I think you had some questions related to the schemes. Over to Suchita from LB Nagar campus.
Greetings to all the women of perseverance. A very happy Women's Day to you all. I am Suchita of Akshara International School, branch of LB Nagar. And I am feeling very overwhelmed with a feeling of joy, having a dazzling leader among us. Madam, schemes like Shadi Mubarak and Kalyana Lakshmi provide financial support for the marriage of women. I would like to ask you, ma'am, are there any schemes that the government has planned to initiate the education for a girl child?
Thanks, Suchita. A very happy Women's Day to all of you girls. And I should just give you a little background of Kalyan Lakshmi scheme. It is trying to protect children who get married off earlier than 18 years because of poverty, because of despair, because of underprivileged homes, unfortunately, which still exist in India, and because of undereducated parents. They try to get the young children married off very early. To try to stop that, governments tells them that only if your child is married after 18 years, then there will be support. That is how we stop child marriages in Telangana. So the Kalyan Lakshmi and Shadi Mubarak is to not just make sure girls get married off immediately, but to make sure girls do not get married off any time before 18 years. That is point one. Point two, there are many schemes related to education. And today I'm very proud to tell you that we have literally increased the number of schools for underprivileged children from 163 in United Andhra Pradesh when we had to 900 plus. These are just the hostels that I'm talking about for children who come from underprivileged background. Government gives them clothes, shoes, books, everything A to Z, and with a lovely menu. We make sure that these children are, properly given nutrition. Foreign countries is supported by Telangana government. Many other streams of education like graduation, fine arts, etc. is supported by government of Telangana. Education is taken very seriously by Honorable Chief Minister KCR Garu of Telangana, and he's investing a lot of money into education because he believes, and all of us believe, that children are the future of Telangana, especially girl children. You are the future of Telangana. So we are investing lot of money into the education of children.
So that makes almost every girl to get chance to be educated. and get married only after 18. That's really great. Thank you for that, Kavita. Thank you very much. Tanvika, Milik, you have been waiting for a question. Please.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Tanvika Shivaratri of Grade 10 Achievers of Akshara International East Ranagar branch. I would like to wish you a very happy International Women's Day, ma'am. My question to you is, Malala says that every girl's voice can change the world. Ma'am, what is your opinion about it?
Absolutely. Although I didn't hear your name, thanks for the question, and I wish you a very happy Women's Day. Malala is a person who has gone through a lot of struggle in her life. She understands how important it is for young girls to speak out for their rights. She came from a country where they were not allowing young girls to have education. So they did voice out and had met with success quite a lot. But for lucky children in India who do not have restrictions to go to school, maybe if you cannot go because they are poor or parents don't know, but otherwise in India, girls are lucky. We go to schools very freely, but still we need to find our voice. We need to make sure we are heard. We need to make sure at every point we understand what choice we are making. For example, after 10th class, if you want to take up MPC or BPC, you should commit yourself to one choice and then tell your parents, convince them what you are more interested in. And if at that point of time you don't raise your voice, you might end up taking something which you're not interested in. So it is always good to speak out your heart, speak out to the parents, convince them, and make sure you get what you want.
So with an answer to this question, let all the children children learn to speak out your heart. Let's speak what's within. Let's not keep it to ourselves. And over to you, Sai Medha from Karimnagar branch. Karimnagar branch, Sai Medha.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Sai Medha from Akshara International School, and I wish you a happy Women's Day. The fact is that most parents and teachers think that kids are loud, nutarious, and we humbly wanted to ask you that if you are silent or kind or prankish. If you are naturally naughty like us, please share us your experience in your school days. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. I'm Sai Medha from Akshara International School, and I wish you a happy Women's Day. The fact is that most parents and teachers think that kids are loud, naughty, and nutarious. We humbly wanted to ask you that whether you are naughty, kind, or silent. If you are naturally naughty like us, please share us your experience from your school days with us.
Thank you, Sai. Happy Women's Day to you and whole of Karimnagar campus. I was not a very naughty child. I was the silent type, so I do not have much experiences. But then I think it is the right of the children to be naughty and to keep parents on their feet all the time. So keep doing, whatever you're doing, make more noise, annoy your parents more, but at the same time, have fun.
Right, there you go. Over to Mokshita from KP branch.
जब आप तकरीर देते हैं उर्दू बेहतरीन अंदाज में बयान करते हैं, क्या आप उसकी राज बताते हैं?
सुनाई तो नहीं दिया ज्यादा ढंग से, पर मुझे लग रहा है आप तो पूछने की कोशिश कर रहे हो कि उर्दू आपने सीखा है क्या। उर्दू मुझे पुराने हिंदी गानों से सीखने को मिला है। मुझे बहुत पसंद है पुराने हिंदी गाने। सो गाने सुनते सुनते मैंने उर्दू बात करना सीख लिया। और तकरीर करने के लिए ज्यादा होमवर्क भी करना पड़ता है कि जिस बात पे आप बात करना चाहते हो तो तकरीर आप जिस बात पे देना चाहते हो तो उसके रिसर्च बहुत करने पड़ते हैं। तो आप कल जाके कहीं तकरीर दे रहे हो तो बराबर फैक्ट के साथ बात करना कि कल को कोई पॉइंट आउट करेगा तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी। थैंक यू।
Just last 4 questions, not more time, ma'am. We understand your time is very precious. Haripriya from LB Nagar campus.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Haripriya from Akshara International School, LB Nagar. We all wish you a very happy Women's Day. To us, you are a metaphor of the word ambitious because of your never ceasing contribution to the society. My question is, which attribute of women do you think should be carried out to be a politician like you? Do women do politics differently?
Hi, very happy Women's Day to you. Yes, women do politics more differently. We are more patient, we are more compassionate, we are more caring. So I believe these 3 attributes are very important in politics, because politics is not only about being more ambitious, getting into higher positions, but getting into those positions by helping out as many people as you can on the way up. So that should be the goal. Going up should not be the only goal. Helping people should be the main goal. So women do differently about
So women
and I
can be the
will be
politician.
one day.
Right. Over to Geetika of Chintal branch, please.
A very good afternoon to you, ma'am. I am Geetika from Akshara International School, Suchitra. Firstly, I would like to wish every woman over here a very happy Women's Day. My question to you is, ma'am, how do you define and women empowerment?
Hi Geetika, very happy Women's Day to all of you. Feminism and empowerment are actually not very similar. Empowerment is basically giving more strength to women, creating a more friendly environment for the women to grow. And empowerment of women has too many contributors, not just the woman herself. Although 90% will be women herself, rest of the 10% should be her supporting family or the governments or enabling policies. But feminism, as far as I mean, it is defined very widely. But my vision that I would like to say is asking for not more power than men, but asking for more power over ourselves. Women need to be able to decide what we want to do with our own selves. We should not be told by somebody else, you'll have to do this at this point of time. You'll have to do that at that point of time. I believe fighting for that right of the woman to have power over herself is feminism, not to have more power over men.
That's well defined by Kavita Akka. And the last 2 questions, Akka. Prasanna of Nagar branch, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Chris of grade 10 from Akshara International School, Nagar. Firstly, I would like to wish everyone a very happy International Women's Day. Ma'am, my question is that, ma'am, where do you think women empowerment should start? Is it at home or in school? Kindly suggest, ma'am.
Hi, Prasanna. A very happy Women's Day to all of you at the campus. And women empowerment certainly should start at home. It should be the confidence that parent gives a child, either a male or a female child. As long as a parent gives the child a confidence, the child can go out the world and make sure he feels secure wherever he or she is. I believe that is where it should start. But also for the child to go back home and to share their experiences with their mothers and fathers. The relationship is mutual. And so I think for today, you should basically think that have you all wished your mothers Happy Women's Day before you came out? So empowerment and mutual dependence of the families, is what gives strength to success, because strong families form a strong, solid society, which is healthy in thinking, which is positive and which is going to fight for the right of both men and women equally. So I believe empowerment should truly start at home.
So let's start it at home. And the final, Anjani from KP branch.
A very good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Anjani Sahasra from Akshara International School, Kukatpalli. Firstly, it's a great honor to talk to you, and I would like to wish you a very happy Women's Day. Being a successful role model, could you suggest few ideas for becoming an ideal girl student? And also, do you think only an ideal girl steps up to be a successful woman in her life?
Thank you, Anjana. Very happy Women's Day to all of you at the campus. And it is an honor to speaking to all of you as well. Very happy on this day. I'm talking to all of you. Well, one quotation I really like is that all good women go to heaven, but all great women go to space. So basically, if you are just good, if you are just trying to please everybody else, you may be called a good girl, but I don't know if you'll be equally successful. So you'll have to be great at what you do. You'll have to work very hard to go to space, which is more realistic, which is something that you can see, right? To achieve that, I believe you'll have to work very hard, be very clear about what you want. And at this age, if you are clear about what you want, you'll certainly turn out to be a very, very, very successful woman.
So, ma'am, this is how we could control the number of questions to very few with 6 inches of Akshara around and with a huge strength. And now it's time. We would like to hear from Kavita Akka a message to all the students and the staff of Akshara.
First of all, thank you, Akshara, for having me on this wonderful interactive program, because since morning I've been only speaking and everybody else has been listening. But this is nice to know what the girls think, what the girls want. And I have been saying this again and again since morning, and I will continue to say this year long. But let us not just celebrate women and girls only on Women's Day. Let us do it every day. Let us also include more and more. I don't know if Akshara is co-educational or not, but let us include more boys there. So they'll understand about how to treat women, how to respect women, how to, keep off if a woman says no. So these important and pertinent issues, both boys and girls should understand. And celebrating womanhood throughout the day, throughout the year should be. And girls out there, please be proud that you are a girl. It is of great luck to be a woman, because we can create and procreate and hold the family together with great deal of love and compassion. That we know is for a fact by the way we look at our mothers. Imagine one day without your mom. There will be chaos in the house. And imagine what women, if they rule, what women can do if they rule. Think about business people. And when you do, I'm sure all of you will be multimillionaires and billionaires and very successful businesswomen. And when you do not forget to help your fellow women. Make sure each one of you, at least one more girl who cannot be as lucky as being educated in Akshara. So girls, wish you all a very happy Women's Day. But don't forget this, keep celebrating the fact that you are a girl on every single day of the year. Thank you so much. Good luck. God bless you.
A last minute from you, ma'am. Thank you, children. Your questions were very engaging and gave us wonderful insight to Srimati Kavita's thoughtful, provoking and motivational answers. I would like to lend my gratitude to Mrs. Kavita. Thank you, ma'am, for gracing us with eminent presence and for making this Women's Day celebration a memorable one for Akshara family. I'm positive that there are many youngsters you have inspired, many girls who idealize you actually. Thank you for bringing the Women's Day celebration to life and giving the day its true meaning. I express my gratefulness to you on behalf of Akshara family and management for gracing us, for adoring school. It is a dream come true for all of us here to have you among us, ma'am. Thank you Kavita ma'am, and all the Akshara children. Let's stand up and thank her with Akshara cheer claps after a 3 count.
Thank you.
1, 2, 3. Akshara cheer claps, please. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for your valuable time, and it was a pleasure today. Thank you, ma'am.